APA Formatting Reference List Basics, a vidcast brought to you by Beth Jones and Gina Hurley in cooperation with the Purdue Online Writing Lab. This vidcast takes you through how to format a list of work cited following APA style. We will use the 6th edition of the APA manual. Your instructor may have different guidelines for you to follow. Always follow your instructor's guidelines. In this vidcast, we cover the basic rules of APA citation. For information on in-text citation, please refer to the links in the video description. For this demonstration, we will use Microsoft Word 2007. Begin your reference page on a separate page at the end of your research paper. It should have the same 1-inch margins and header with your essay title and the page number as the rest of your paper. Label the page References. Center the word at the top of the page, but do not italicize or put it in quotation marks. Double space all citations, but do not skip spaces between entries. To set your line spacing to double space, open up the Paragraph menu in Microsoft Word. Change the default line spacing setting from after 10 point to 0 point. Then change line spacing from multiple to double. Each entry should have a hanging indent, which means that the first line of the citation is flush with the left margin, and the second and subsequent lines are indented 5 spaces. To create a hanging indent, open up the Paragraph menu in Microsoft Word. In the Indentation menu under Special, select Hanging. Authors' names are inverted, last name first. As in the example circled in red, give the last name and initials for all authors of a particular work for up to and including 7 authors. If the work has more than 7 authors, as in the example circled in blue, list the first 6 authors and then use ellipses after the 6th author's name. After the ellipses, list the last author's name of the work. Reference list entries should be alphabetized by the last name of the first author of each work. If you have more than one article by the same author, single author references or multiple author references with the same authors in the same order, list the entries in chronological order from earliest to most recent. Present journal titles in full and maintain the punctuation and capitalization used by the journal in its title. When referring to books, chapters, articles, or web pages, capitalize only the first letter of the first word of a title and subtitle, the first word after a colon or a dash in the title, and proper nouns. Do not capitalize the first letter of the second word in a hyphenated compound word. Italicize titles of longer works such as books and journals. Do not italicize, underline, or put quotes around the titles of shorter works such as journal articles or essays in edited collections. For more information on APA citation, please visit the links provided in the video description. This has been a presentation of APA Formatting Reference List Basics, a vidcast by Beth Jones and Gina Hurley, brought to you in cooperation with the Purdue Online Writing Lab.